Good evening, students. It is ThatTeacherHolzer again, here to demonstrate the use of Google's text-to-speech and speech-to-text feature. It is an extension called Read and Write. So today I'm going to be demonstrating that on this computer. We are looking at an article about Martin Luther King and someone he worked with. So I'm going to begin by demonstrating how we pull up Read and Write. So it is a Google Chrome extension. Now, downloading the Read and Write extension onto computers is something that should be handled by an adult to ensure that it is done correctly, and then they should test it afterward just to make sure everything's working. But if it is, at the top of Google Chrome, you will see next to the search bar, there is a little puzzle piece kind of next to the bookmark star. Click the puzzle piece. Then a list will come down, and you should see the extension Read and Write available if you have it downloaded to your Chrome browser. And this is handled within browser, so it should not have to add any files or software to your computer itself. Now, as soon as you click the extension, a bar will show up providing your options. Now we have play, pause, stop. We have our text-to-speech or speech-to-text built right in. There's a little microphone button. We'll be showing how that works. There's a few highlighter options, as this is the actual education suite. Costs about $99 per student. However, there is a free version in which you don't have the different colors of highlighter, but you do still have your text-to-speech option, and it will work the same way we will demonstrate today. And then if you click this little caret over here, not the X button that will shut down the extension, but this is something you can show students, click the caret, and it will form this little puzzle piece thing here that's just waiting. When you're ready, click that, pulls the menu back up. So let's show off how to turn text into speech. The first thing you'll want to do, and this is a common misconception you see with students, so be ready if you do have any students with a text-to-speech accommodation using Google Read and Write. If they hit play right off the bat,
For King's advisor fulfilling the dream,
it will try to read every text that is on a page. If you want it to focus just on what you're trying to read, go ahead and highlight that with your cursor, and then hit the play button. If the play button is grayed out, you may have to hit the stop button. That's not the pause button, the stop button, and it will reset the temporary play file. So I'm going to hit play and also watch the text while it's speaking, because it's about to turn the text into speech, but it will also highlight the word that is being read as we go.
August 28th, 1963 was a tense day for Clarence B. Jones,
which can be very useful for students who are trying to, are actively working on reading, who might not necessarily have a debilitating reading disorder. This can allow them to start building associations with the words they see and the sounds they hear.
Martin Luther King, Jr. Jones had a long list.
And it's really that simple as far as converting text into speech. So now I'm going to flip the script, and we're going to turn speech into text. So let me move this paragraph down. I'm going to blow up the size of our text so you can see it creating the text as I write it. So when you're going to turn text into speech for Google Read and Write, you're going to have the same menu. You're just going to hit right here is a little microphone button. Looks like a classic news mic that you would find on a desk. So I'm going to now press that button, not like this one. This is a studio microphone. I'm going to press the microphone here, and then watch. As soon as I press it, close the dictionary. Apple likes to always present the dictionary as press it. Oh, there we go. Now it's writing what I say. The quick brown fox jumped over the teacher Holzer. Hey, it even spelled my name right. And it's going to keep on writing until I hit the red stop button. And then from there, they can edit the text just like they would if it was typed. Just press it, just put up, there we go. Now it's writing what I say. The quick brown fox jumped over and spelled my name right. It's going to keep on writing until I hit the red stop button. So it spelled everything correct. It got every word I said. And also the word there. It even used the correct conjugation of the word there to imply that it is a object in the sentence and not the possession of something or the they are. There we go. I'm like, what's the other kind of there? Anyways, that's Google Read and Write for both reading, turning text into speech, and the reverse, turning speech into text. I hope you've enjoyed our video today. Please like and subscribe. Class dismissed.